Panel discussion today, we would like Lees Janal onto the stage, please. Dr. Lees is going to be the moderator for today's session. We would also like to invite Swami Shanmuga and Amma to join the panel discussion today. Dear Makako Tamares, and Avatar Atma Guruji to join the discussion. Please join the stage, sir. Thank you.
Hello. Yeah. We have quite a number of panels in the discussion, and we have a question. And since it's going to be for half an hour, we would require your valuable message, a short valuable message on the question that we will be putting forward. This says, the older the spiritual organizations are becoming, they're increasingly becoming rigid. And spirituality is something that cannot be taught in an organized way. Kindly comment. I would like to repeat the point. The older the spiritual organizations are becoming, they are increasingly becoming more rigid. The older the organizations are becoming, the rigidness is increasing in the spiritual organizations. And spirituality is something that definitely cannot be taught in an organized way. Kindly comment.
Yes, definitely. Organization cannot produce masters in one sense. Spirituality is purely personal, purely individual. One particular master is creating a particular organization. Whatever he learned and whatever the path he traveled, accordingly the organization will grow. So whoever is tasted over there in the same path can be there and they can become the masters. And most of the spiritual organizations, how it is functioning is that they want to produce a mass and produce the strength, the numbers and all these things. So it is a responsibility of the seekers and also the searchers to find their own taste. Then only they can choose, even though they go to the organization, they can take the help of the organization for a short period and they can learn and they come out of the organization and start becoming a master. That will be the right way of coming out of a lot of masters from the outside of the organizations. Yeah, this is what my opinion.
So here is the second question. Are spiritual organizations making conditioned talking, parrot talking, or real spiritual masters? Are spiritual organizations making conditioned talking?
Conditioned talking?
Yes, conditioned. They are pre-programmed. Or conditioned. Or are they real spiritual masters? Spiritual masters. So in other words, is this talk coming from their inner connection of spirituality, or are they just coming from the conditioned, preconditioned mind? Is that clear? Okay.
As long as the founder, the master who has started that vision and mission, the particular organization will be absolutely beautiful. The first set, what you call the first set of the disciples. You can find some reality over there. By and by, when the master leaves his body and takes over by somebody else, and it goes a question mark. That is there, you know. And as far as conditions and the programming of the mind is concerned, my understanding is, as long as the people are taking training in a particular organization, thus that discipline is a must. Once it goes beyond a limit, it becomes conditioning. Conditioning is very bad. Discipline is a must. Because if there is no discipline, disciples will never be. Disciplines are must. In some organizations, they are very strict discipline. Some organizations, moderate discipline. Doesn't matter. Discipline is a must. Otherwise, how he will learn? Isn't it? But by and by what happens unconsciously, in the name of discipline, it is being conditioned, programmed. Naturally, what happens to the people inside the organization, instead of from one child to the another child, the condition A is shifted to condition B. Actually, a person goes to the organization to decondition himself or herself. Deconditioning is spirituality. That is a suffering. What is the point in condition A is implied and again go to the other organization, condition B is implied. No point in that. No point in going to an organization. Unlearning, it is called unlearning. Unlearning is spirituality, isn't it? So that way, discipline is a must. We must know the mark, the boundary, up to what level can be given, this discipline can be given. One should not be conditioned or programmed. After all, spirituality is a deprogramming system. Whatever we have been unnecessarily, Asura Gurus, I used to call that Asura Gurus, keep on advising the society. It is already conditioned. That has to be taken away. This is my opinion.